Today I will answer my question. My question is number two. Are you willing to change your DNA? In my opinion, I absolutely not change my DNA. I have three reasons. First, I think it is very risky because humans are not know fully about genes or genes edited nowadays, so this action may make a serious problem for my health or make a bad mutation which cause a terrible disease. Second, change the genes make unfair society with other people. You will not be different, not same as a normal people. It is very weird and not simple to solve. The final, you will need to a lot of money to do that thing and need more money to maintain this changing genes technology. For example, in 2018, it's according to VN Express in China, a scientist make two babies with our genes changes. It is immoral and break the law of China. So the National Police of China will arrest him for 3 years, and I think it is so bad to change my genes. So I'm not willing to change my DNA. Thank you for listening. That is my speech. Yeah, that is.